Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we're diving into a special project where I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful incense burner using this eco resin Hydrocast by Alumilite. We'll be using a mold from Boowan Nicole and finishing it off with the matte sealer by Resin. But that's not all. We'll be talking about the wonderful benefits of using incense in your home. Burning incense, especially the white sage that I use at the end of this video, is known for its ability to help you relax and bring positive vibes into your space. White sage has traditionally been used for cleansing and purification, helping us remove negative energy and creating a positive and uplifting environment. Its calming aroma can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation and peace. If you struggle with sleep, burning white sage can create a serene atmosphere, aiding in improved sleep quality. Additionally, it can help clear mental clutter, enhance focus and concentration. Perfect for when you need to study or work. For those of you who practice meditation or prayer, white sage can enhance your spiritual connection, creating a sacred space and helping you connect more deeply with your inner self or higher power. This earthly aroma has wonderful aromatherapy benefits, uplifting and invigorating your mood. Let's not forget, burning white sage can also help with air purification, reducing airborne bacteria, and help improve the air quality. So let's get started on this creative journey and learn how to craft this incense burner that not only looks great, but also adds a sense of tranquility and positivity into your home. Here are the complete directions, and there's also a place where you can scan and get directions directly from Alumilite. You can scan that with your phone. I won't be using these two molds that came with the kit, but I do want to let you know why I bought this. I want to thank my friend Linda, and that would be Lechabot. She was the one who turned me on to this Hydrocast casting powder. You have to thank your friends for turning you on and allowing you to spend a little extra dollars. Okay, I decided that in here for the Moon Phases that I was going to use a little of my You're So Fine diamond cut glitter, and I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to UV resin, and I put a little bit of my You're So Fine glitter in there. Now, I have my ocean white. I apologize, I just mixed in a little of the ocean white into the UV resin, and I just mixed that up, and now I'm just pouring this into the mold. One tip I will give you, do not overfill at this point with your UV resin. Okay, I have 150 milliliters here of the hydrocasting compound. I'm going to put 50 And that did mix quite fast. And I don't see any lumps in there at all. Now, I do want this, I want this in black. And this is the Hydrocast pigment in black. Oops. Okay, so here we are, and I guess we should crack up our black. Yeah, we'll put that in a bag first. That looks. Now, this is the important piece that I was waiting for, and my Boowan Nicole molds. Oh wow! And you know what? Yeah. So that looks pretty cool. Oh, and that's not coming off. Let me clean up my desk here. And maybe a little alcohol will clean this off. I didn't realize that this was going to stick up. But that is interesting. Okay, so this is what we have here right now, and we are going to do this again, and I'm going to do this in a different manner. Let's be back in a minute. Well, it seems I have lost this, and I am really sorry about that. I used Simplicity, and I brushed it on in here. And then I used Nebula, and I brushed that on. I dry brushed it around here. I took a sprinkle of this, and I just sprinkled it here. And I dry brushed Simplicity into this. If there's any left over, it'll go into that. The mixing is exactly the same as we did in the previous video. So this is times 20. I know you really don't want to see any of this, but here it is, just a few seconds and we're done. Okay, let's see if this worked. Oh, it did. And this does hold the pigment brushed on like that. Look how pretty that is. Yeah. And let's see how it held on to. Oh, nice. Very pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love the way this looks. Look at that. All right. That is beautiful. Just have to, oh, what happened here on the side though? All right, let's see how we could fix that. I think I can. And all those little holes too around there. I added some chunky glitter to the white UV resin that I had left over, and I decided to add that to the top of my moons so that would stand out a little bit. And then after this, I add some nebula to that to make it dark, and that's how I fix my sides. Okay, I'm going to show you how to seal, and I'm going to use the matte sealer on these, and then we're going to show you how these work. I am applying this matte sealer with the brush, and then you will see in a little bit if there's any excess there. I'm using this soft paper towel to just pull off any of the excess. I found this is good for the one coat that I'm going to use on this piece. After this dried, I use the incense that I purchased from Amazon. As you can see here, these are the 6 boxes that I purchased. I'm going to tell you this: do not use these long incense pieces like I did here. Do yourself a favor and buy the cones and just place it anywhere on the incense holder. This is a stone piece and it is fireproof. I would not advise making an incense piece like this if you were using epoxy resin. Only if you were using an eco resin. I want to thank you for joining me today as we crafted these beautiful incense burners using Hydrocast by Alumilite and the mold from Boowan Nicole. I want to take a moment to share these wonderful benefits of burning white sage incense with you. White sage has been used for centuries for its cleansing and purifying properties. It's known to help clear negative energy from your space, creating a positive and uplifting environment. The calming aroma of white sage can also help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation and even improve your quality of sleep. It's a great way to clear mental clutter and boost your focus and concentration. Plus, the earthy scent is invigorating and uplifting, adding a touch of serenity to your day. So as you use your new incense burner, remember the many benefits that come with burning white sage incense. It's not just about the pleasant aroma, it's about creating a space of tranquility and positivity. Special thanks to Aisha Crafty Kids Club. She'll be coming up next. I would like to give a huge shout out to my incredible members. Your ongoing support fuels my creativity and makes this journey so rewarding. And to those who contributed with special blessings, with super thanks. Your generosity is deeply appreciated. I am truly grateful for each and every one of you. Your engagement and encouragement makes this community so special. If you're in the chat, please take a moment and say hello to your neighbor. Be sure to visit each other's channels. Make a new friend today. Let's build a supportive and connected community together. Thank you for being here and all your support. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time, bye-bye now.